Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomial Exercise 2.57 sum. Let's see the question. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. So using suitable identity we are going to find the following. In the first sum it is given as 99 the whole cube. So we need not multiply this as 99 into 99 into 99. We are going to use suitable identity and we are going to find the 99 cube. For that, write this to be 100 minus 1, because if we take zeros as the tens digit and unit digit or ones digit, it will be easy for us to solve. So we can write 99 to be 100 minus 1, because same 100 minus 1 will be 99. So I am not changing anything. I am just writing 99 to be 100 minus 1. Now this is in the form of a minus b the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Is that clear? Now instead of a we have 100, instead of b we have 1. Just substitute the value here. 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into, for b it is 1, plus 3 into a is 100 and b will be 1 square. Now this becomes 100 one time. Now again 00 two time. Now again 00 three time. There are two zeros for cube. 20 again 20 again 20 three times. If we write, this is the cube. Now 1 cube will be 1. 1 power anything will be 1. So minus 3 into 100 square, as I told before, it is 100 one time and two time. Plus here 3 into 100 will become 300. Into 1 you will have the same number, so no problem. It becomes minus 1 minus 3 00 plus 300. Solve all the like terms. This is a like term of plus and this is the like term of minus. If we solve, we get 100 we need to add 3. So add 3 in the 100th column, it becomes 300. Here if we have minus, we need to add. So add and write the minus sign. Add 1 to the unit digit. Now we need to subtract both. I'll write the rough column over here because I don't have space here. But you need to write your rough column on the right hand side. Now 100 3 zeros, then 300. I am going to subtract it with 10003. For subtracting, this becomes 9 and this becomes 2. Here it becomes 9. 9, 9, 2, then 0. Again 1, I am getting it from this number. Here this becomes 9, this becomes 10. So 7 and 9. Your final answer will be 970299. This is the final answer for the first sum. We'll move on to the second one. In the second one, we are having 102 the whole cube. So it becomes 100 plus 2 the whole cube. I am writing 102 to be 100 plus 2 because if we add, we get 102 the whole cube. Same, this is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. It becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. Instead of a we have 100, so 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into, instead of a we have 100, so 100 square. Wherever we get a, just substitute 100. Wherever you see b, just substitute 2. 3 into 100 into 2 square. Now solve it. 100 one time, 2 time, 3 time. Here 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. First we need to square, then we need to multiply. So 3 into, yeah, you can multiply this to number. We can write this to be 6. But for squaring, first square we need to do. So 2 zeros, then 2 zeros plus, yeah, first we need to square. So you can multiply this to 4. Now again multiply 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros plus 8 plus here it becomes 6 into 2 0 2 0 plus 4 3s are 12 2 0. Now add everything. If I add, I get 8 in the unit digit, no tens place, 100 place we have 2, ones place, 1000 place we have 1, then 10,000 place we have 6, then node, then 1. So this is the final answer for the second sum. We'll move on to the third one. In the third one we have 9998 cube. Instead of this we can write this to be 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. Here if it's 1000 minus 1 we have 998. So it is in minus formula. Already I have written the minus formula. So we can just solve it. A cube is 1000 cube minus B cube is 2 cube minus 3 into A square, B is 2 plus 3 into A B square. Now solving this we have 1 0 0 1 time, 0 0 2 time, 0 0 3 time, because there are 0 0 here. So as it is power 3, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus here first we need to square, so I am multiplying with the ordinary number. So this becomes 6, here power 2 means 1 0 0 1 time, 0 0 2 time, plus here this is the ordinary number, we need to square this and then we need to multiply, so 3000, here 2 2s are 4. Now multiply everything. Minus 8, here it becomes minus 6, 0 0, then 0 0, here plus 2. If I multiply with 4, 4 3s are 12, then 3 zeros. First we need to add this 2, then I am going to add this 2 because I have 2 minus sign. For minus sign we need to add when need to put the greater number sign. So adding this 2 I get 12,000, that is here I have written 12, so again 3 zeros with 1 minus here 8 will come in the unit place, so 6 0 0 0 0 8. If I solve this 2 I get 2. As I know I am just subtracting it, you just solve it by subtracting on the rough column. So 2, here this becomes 9, so 9, here is also it becomes 9. Here it becomes 1, so 1, here 1 minus 0 is 0. Now this becomes 4, 6, 10 here, so 10 minus 6 will become 4, then 9 and 9. So this is the final answer for the third sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.